Welcome to this detailed comparison between Augusta Precious Metals and GoldenCrest Metals, two prominent companies in the precious metals investment field. In this overview, we'll assess each company based on their reputation, customer service, investment options, fee structures, and overall customer satisfaction to help you determine the best fit for your investment goals in precious metals. Augusta Precious Metals, established trust and educational support. Augusta Precious Metals has earned a robust reputation for transparency and commitment to educating investors. Known for their focus on customer satisfaction, they provide in-depth resources designed to help investors understand the intricacies of the precious metals market. Customers often praise Augusta for their dedication to integrity and excellence, with numerous success stories and positive reviews attesting to their consistent service. GoldenCrest Metals, a modern, versatile approach. GoldenCrest Metals, while relatively new, has swiftly gained popularity by offering a wide variety of precious metal investment options. Catering to both beginners and experienced investors, GoldenCrest offers tailored strategies and a user-friendly platform that stands out for its innovation. Their competitive pricing and personalized service have won them positive feedback, especially among those seeking a fresh and adaptable approach to investment. Although they lack the long-standing history of Augusta, their commitment to quality customer service is evident. Comparing service offerings. When it comes to investment offerings, both companies have unique strengths. Augusta Precious Metals specializes in gold and silver IRAs with a focus on secure storage options and access to collectible gold and silver coins. They also provide rollover options for existing retirement accounts, making it easy for investors to transition their assets. GoldenCrest Metals, in contrast, offers a self-directed IRA option, allowing investments in gold bullion, coins, and bars, along with other precious metals. They emphasize portfolio diversification through various gold and silver IRA accounts, and also support regular purchases of gold and silver coins and bars. This flexibility makes GoldenCrest an attractive choice for those looking to customize their investment portfolios. Fee structure overview. The two companies differ in their fee structures. Augusta Precious Metals charges a one-time account setup fee of $50, with an annual administrative fee of $100 and a $100 storage fee for deposits. They require a minimum investment of $50,000, but investors benefit from free shipping and insurance coverage during transit. GoldenCrest Metals fees are slightly varied, with a setup fee ranging from $50 to $80, an annual maintenance fee of $100, and the same storage fee structure as Augusta, though with both non-segregated and segregated options. With a lower minimum investment requirement of $10,000, GoldenCrest may be a more accessible choice for new investors or those with a smaller starting budget. Choosing the right company for you. Deciding between Augusta Precious Metals and GoldenCrest Metals comes down to personal preference and investment priorities. If you prefer a company with a well-established reputation and comprehensive educational resources, Augusta Precious Metals may align with your goals. However, if competitive pricing and a wider array of investment options appeal to you, GoldenCrest Metals could be a better fit. Embark on your journey toward financial growth with the company that best matches your vision for the future. For further details, visit the links provided in the description or on the screen now. Augusta is offering up to 10 years of waived fees with qualifying purchase, and GoldenCrest is offering up to $25,000 in free silver with qualified purchase. Reach out to these companies today to take advantage of these amazing promotions. Thanks for watching.